All right, guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be going over high enter shorts. So I caught this short today on Bitcoin, but before we go this specific entry, I had this level, this key level here marked out, this key liquidity that we ran, right, on the 1H. Then if you go on the 5 minute, this was the first entry I was looking at that I didn't get. On the 5 minute, this is a fair value gap. Was looking for rejections of this. I had like a limit order set somewhere around here. I had something like this set. Um, Something like this to target these lows, but I missed it because it didn't hit my limit ask. But when you look at it, this is textbook short for me. Swept these highs, created fair value gap, retested the fair value gap, and then we had the strong close that dumped. I mean, technically, to me, on the 5 minute, this is the fair value gap and strong close at the same time on this candle, this red candle here. I just I wanted a little higher before entering. We didn't get it, and it is what it is. So what happened after that is I was like, okay, we swept this key low here on the 1H. You can see it. I had it marked out. I was like, this is probably the first spot where we're gonna try to bounce. And I entered a long somewhere. I think it was like this long here, with the stop right under here. I was targeting this last bearish order block, right, to fill this fair value gap, but we barely filled it. We literally barely filled it. I was in profits, and then we completely reversed, ate shit on that one. I got stopped out. With that being said, after I got stopped out on that long, I was like, okay, this is probably gonna go a lot lower. Um, we created this down move range, right? You see, if you put the fib from the bottom to the top there, the 50, we rejected off the 50 multiple times. I entered. This is basically a fair value gap also. If you look at the hourly, we tried to fill it, right? If you right, we one, two, barely touched it. Um, this was after the sweep of this low also. We swept, we came down, swept that low, put in the low here, bounced, retested that fair value gap, and that was my entry. After this candle, that's when I entered, and then the rest is history. If I usually don't use the fib as much anymore because I can just tell from like looking at the chart where the fib is gonna be at. But yeah, another textbook short for me here. Even though I could have literally got in over here, but it's okay. Shit happens. You can't catch them all. I shook off that stop I got on that long attempt, and it is what it is. I cut most of my position down here, and then I left a little runner. The runner closes down here at 83,800 or 863, whatever. But yeah, this literally basic short. You want to be, if you use the fib, you want to be shorting into this area here. For longs, if you're coming down, you want to be longing on this area here. Um, but yeah, nothing crazy on this. This is the next key level we should take out. It looks like we might bounce. Um, but if we manage to fall under here, I think the next stop would be somewhere. Let's see the 12. I mean, the next stop is probably gonna be down here, somewhere down here. That's where I would look for longs. For now, we're not looking too good. So I mean, and I wasn't even looking for shorts this morning, cause after when we were printing this candle, it looked like we were gonna absolutely send, but then it ended up being a fake out, and then we just flushed. Uh, so yeah, I hope this helped you guys, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.